Hey, I'm Carl Dobsky. Some of you may know me as Sweetheart. What I want to do is talk about the actual mechanics of perspective and how it works so that you have an understanding of what's going on and you can construct things to whatever degree of accuracy you want. Well, how far is it? Like, where do you put that thing? Most people just sort of eyeball it and they'll go like, oh, it looks like it'll be like, oh, right there. And the next one looks like it'll go like right there. But there's a way to go about doing it where you can actually get it right. You can plot it out so that all of your squares are squares in perspective and you know exactly where you are. Why do I put it on the original anchor point? Well, because that's where it meets the picture plane, and that's where all measurements are to scale. It's very important to remember that that's the reason why. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to make a painted sketch and show you how to take the ideas of perspective and actually use them in picture making. And this, to me, is really the heart and soul of perspective. Perspective applies to everything, so I want to make sure that the figures are all roughly the same height, and I really want to make sure that they're all standing on the same ground plane. That's the big one. I really want to make sure that they're all sitting on that ground plane. That would be the worst thing to do, would be to make sure everything is in perspective and then not have the people in perspective, because it would kind of counteract the whole entire thing. Really, that's it for 1-point perspective, and then next time around we're going to do 2-point perspective, and we're going to take all of these elements that we've worked with here and expand on them and show how they go into basically 2-point perspective. Really. So buy that one too.